Winter is officially back in Friuli Venezia Giulia. In Piancavallo and across the region, skiers from near and far are hitting the slopes as the 2025-26 season kicks off, with fresh snow, early season deals, and hundreds of mountain adventures waiting to begin. How's the first day skiing in Piancavallo going?
Oh, it's going pretty good. I mean, this is my first time, supporting this season, and then second time ever, so it's going pretty good. Getting the hang of it, as you can tell, it's pretty beautiful out here today. A lot of people out here enjoying it, so it's just been a good time.
Yeah.
And to have slopes, whether you're a beginner or expert, you're gonna, kill it no matter what. So it was just the right place to be at.
How's the first day of ski season going?
Good. I think that the snow is good. Yeah, it was very funny, and I'm very experienced in this sport, and I really like it.
How was today? How did you enjoy today? Today is good?
Yes, today is very good.
It's a good day, nice day, and a beautiful day.
Why Piancavallo?
Because it's good. It's very small, but it's comfortable.